एमडी कैट पास पेपर सीरीज़ के अंदर आज हम किंगडम एनिमेलिया के वो सारे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो अब तक के डिफरेंट एमडी कैट एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछे गए हैं। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरी तवज्जो से देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1 is body cavity of roundworms is called pseudocoelom, acoelom, coelom, enteron. So correct answer is option A. The body cavity of roundworms is known as pseudocoelom or false coelom. Question number 2. Fasciola hepatica is an endoparasite of colon, small intestine, liver, bile duct. So correct answer is option B. Fasciola hepatica is an endoparasite of liver and it is also known as liver flu. Question number 3. Trypanosoma is transmitted in human beings by Plasmodium, housefly, Anopheles, Sisyphili. So correct answer is option D. Trypanosoma, which causes sleeping sickness in human beings, is transmitted through Sisyphili biting. Question 4. The nervous system develops from which of the following layers during embryonic development of animals? It develops from mesoderm, from endoderm, from ectoderm, from mesoderm and endoderm. So correct answer is option B. The nervous system is developed from the embryonic ectoderm. Question 5. Endosperm is formed as a result of pollination, self-pollination, double fertilization, cross-fertilization. So correct answer is option C. Endosperm is formed as a result of double fertilization. Question 6. Male reproductive part of flower are called gynoecium, androecium, calyx, corolla. So correct answer is option C. Androecium is the male reproductive part of flower. Question 7. Fasciola is the name given to tapeworm, liver fluke, planaria, earthworm. So correct answer is option C. Fasciola is the name given to liver fluke. Question 8. Ascaris lambricoid is diploblastic, haploid, triploblastic, acoelomate. So correct answer is option B. Ascaris lambricoid is a triploblastic organism. Question 9. During development in an animal, mesodermal layer gives rise to nervous system, muscular and skeletal system, alimentary canal lining, mouth. So correct answer is option C. During embryonic development in animals, the mesodermal layer gives rise to muscle as well as skeletal systems, mean blood, bones as well as muscles are developed from the mesoderm. Question 10. Polymorphism is a characteristic of Porifera, Annelida, Cnidaria, Nematoda. So correct answer is option B. Polymorphism is a phenomenon that is shown by Cnidaria or phylum Coelenterata, and it is more prominently present in Lobelia. Question 11. When beef which is not properly cooked is consumed by humans, they become infected by tapeworm, pinworm, hookworm, roundworm. So correct answer is option A. When improperly cooked beef is consumed by humans, they are infected by tapeworm. Question 12. Sleeping sickness in humans is caused by Trypanosoma, Anopheles, Plasmodium, and Aedes mosquito. So correct answer is option A. Sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma. Question 13. Schistoma is a parasite that lives in the host of host, intestine of host, liver of host, kidney of host, blood of host. So correct answer is option C. Schistoma lives in the liver of host. Schistoma lives in the blood of host, so it is also known as blood fluke. So correct answer is option D. Schistoma is known as blood fluke. Question 14. Cavity between body wall and alimentary canal is coelom, endoderm, mesoderm, mesoglea. So correct answer is option A. The cavity that is formed between alimentary canal and body wall is known as coelom. Question 15. The layer which forms the lining of digestive tract and glands of digestive system is ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, mesoglea. So correct answer is option C. The layer which forms the lining of digestive tract as well as the glands of digestive system is endodermal layer. Question 16. Ascaris is which of the following? Ectoparasite, respiratory tract parasite, intestinal parasite, urinogenital tract parasite. So correct answer is option B. Ascaris lumbricoides is a intestinal parasite. Question 17. Polymorphism is a feature exhibited by members of Coelentrates, Porifera, Arthropoda, Platyhelminthes. So correct answer is option A. Phylum Coelentrata or Cnidaria shows the polymorphism. Question 18. Which of the following is the primary host of liver fluke? Man, snail, sheep, dog. So correct answer is option B. Sheep is the primary host of liver fluke. Question 19. Which one of the following is an example of free-living carnivorous flatworms? Liver fluke, tapeworm, Dogesia, schistoma. So correct answer is option B. Dogesia is a carnivorous free-living flatworms. Question 21. Which of the following is a triploblastic organism? Jellyfish, tapeworm, sea anemone, coral. So correct answer is option C. Tapeworm is a triploblastic organism, while the remaining three, jellyfish, sea anemone as well as coral, are diploblastic. Question 22. In arthropods, the body cavity is in the form of coelom, pseudocoelom, hemocole, enteron. So correct answer is option B. In arthropods, the body cavity is known as hemocoel. Question 23. Which of the following is a good example of polymorphism? Hydra, Ubelia, starfish, Euplectilla. So correct answer is option C. Ubelia is a good example of polymorphism. Question 24. Name the common gut roundworm parasite of humans and pigs. Ascaris lumbricoides, Pheretima posthuma, Lumbricus terrasaris, Hirudo medicinalis. So correct answer is option A. Ascaris lumbricoides is a gut roundworm parasite of humans as well as pigs. Question 25. Which of the following is also called as liver flu? Dugesia, Tania, Fistula, Coral. So correct answer is option C. Fistula hepatica is also known as liver flu. Question 26. Tania is an entoparasite of human, pigs and cattle which belongs to the phylum Cnidaria, Annelida, Aschelmanthus, Platyhelminthes. So correct answer is option D. Tania solium belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes. So correct answer is option D. Question 27. The body of which of the following consists of segments called proglatids which contain mainly sex organs? Planaria, Fistula, Ascaris, tapeworm. So correct answer is option D. The body of tapeworms consists of segments which are known as proglatids. Question number 29. Which of the following is a common parasite of intestine of human as well as pig which belongs to phylum Nematode? Taenia solium, Ascaris lambricoid, Schistoma, Fistula hepatica. So correct answer is option C. Ascaris lambricoid is a common parasite of intestine of humans as well as pig. Question 29. In radial symmetry, all the body parts are arranged around the central axis. Radial symmetry represents which mode of life? Sessile mode of life, active mode of life, streamlined mode of life, parasitic mode of life. So correct answer is option A. Sessile mode of life is represented by radial symmetry. Question 30. Pseudocoelomates have a body cavity, but it is not true coelom. Which of the following is included in the pseudocoelomate group? Planaria, earthworm, tapeworm, Ascaris. So correct answer is option D. Ascaris belongs to phylum Nematoda and it is a pseudocoelomate. तो ये थे 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस विच कम्स इन डिफरेंट MDCAT एग्ज़ाम्स अबाउट किंगडम एनिमेलिया। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।